Hello. It's I don't want to introduce myself. You can see the YouTube channel, and you know that I'm Zarek Daniel, and actually I help a lot of tourists when they're visiting Los Angeles, and I always wondering if there would be any chance to help them kind of the way that you will feel confident when you are in Los Angeles and you just want to enjoy the city. Before just going to my explanation, I know you do have your iPhone, your smartphone, your Galaxy, whatever, but do not trust this phone. These are just gonna battery gonna die. The internet is not going to work. The only thing that you need is going to be paper and pencil or pen. Just one color, because you need to just kind of be always prepared and not just having the basic tools. You need to have paper and pen, and you need to draw. That my point is helping you to draw a map and information that is going to be helpful for your confidence when you're visiting LA. Okay, let's go and see where are you right now. You should know where you are at this, where you are. Actually, I think, yeah, it was here. Okay. This is the Earth, and you know that you are in United States. And you know that you are in United States. This is the Earth. You are in United States. This is Atlantic Ocean East, Pacific Ocean West, and you travel from, you can, from which destination you travel, you're welcome. So as I go through, Los Angeles is on west of United States, and I would say, the east part of United States is green and this part is dry. So always have a bottle of water, because it's dry. You need to be careful for anything that happen. You need to be ready, and you need to know about the nature of the Los Angeles. It's dry. So you are in part of a land that it's kind of dry. Of course, Los Angeles covers by this beautiful mountain, and this is here is Big Bear, and in the actually the Las Vegas is in Nevada, right? You want to travel to Las Vegas. This is Las Vegas. It's in Nevada. And as you can, if I just take this, turn this off, you know that Arizona is here, Nevada is here, that Las Vegas was here, and California is your place of interest, and a place that I'm going to explain to you. And you want to enjoy your tour in Los Angeles. And in Los Angeles is, for touring Los Angeles really has a lot of beautiful places to visit. Santa Monica, Malibu, Glendale, Pasadena, and Irvine. Irvine is here. That Huntington Beach is really good beach. Long Beach. Then here, if you just here is here is Manhattan, Redondo Beach, Manhattan Beach, and you can bike. You can go and use your bike. You can use your bike here, riding on bike on the Redondo Beach, or you can use your bike to bike in Long Beach. And in Long Beach, you're gonna have aquarium and Queen Mary ship, and of course the submarine, Russian submarine, watching the Russian submarine. Here is Redondo Beach. It's Manhattan Beach, Redondo Beach. You can bike here, and you go up here is of course the airport here. If I just, and here if you want to try the Google Earth for your search, just go with the more. But after you push the more, unclick these two here, uncheck these two, then your map is getting better clear. You're gonna have a traffic, you know the traffic, and you know that this is LAX. I mean, this is Santa Monica, and that is Santa Monica Municipal. Okay, LAX is here. LAX is here. LAX is here. And then it's Santa Monica. Each neighbor has its own airport in the United States. Okay, it's huge place to tour. And here is a downtown that, of course, you meet me here, and I'm gonna explain to you about here. Okay, so I told you about pick up the paper because right now I'm gonna close this application and I'm not going to go back to this application. And here we need to just go to the real business. Hi. In the real business, it's going to be like this, that I am going to actually kind of use the, I need to just use this software that it's gonna help me to explain to you the way that you want to enjoy this this beautiful. Okay, I told you you just used your but you searched on internet. On internet, right? And of course, maybe it's better to write this in because you are not on English tanks, so then you search Google. Google. But again, these are not enough. Okay, these are not enough. We need to go to the real business. I mean, real help. You should pick up your pencil, you should pick up your paper, and do what I am telling to you. The thing is here, you should have your white paper ready. And I'm gonna clean the page, and I'm gonna clean this page, and you should make your white paper ready because it's going to be kind of playing chess. You should memorize. It's kind of programming, the way that you should program and make yourself ready for a situation that will come in your tour. You want to enjoy your tour, you need to know about the spots. You must know, unless you're not going to enjoy your tour. So I went over all the, I need to just bring my color board, draw. Okay, here it works. So this is the paper, right? Downtown LA is like this. So the north is here. The north is here. The south is here. This is the paper. You need to do this on paper. If you want to enjoy your trip, you need to do this. East is here. West, sorry. You are in downtown. Downtown is covered by this, you know, I would say First and Olympic. Then here is Main. And Figueroa. These streets have their name. They are just with name. These are with number. So from, you know this is gonna be, if this is first, so the other one is second, and if this is going like this to 9th, and this is going to be the, it's gonna end up with this Olympic Street. Here, I mean, I told you about this, and these are with name. You're gonna learn with these with name. This is the Main, and this is gonna be the Broadway. After the Main, it's Spring. And here, in this area, I need to change this, you know, maybe this color. Okay, this here, you have this market. Markets are here. And from here, up here is this, you know, malls and beautiful malls. And here is, you know, Stadium, the Staples Center. And here is Tokyo, Little Tokyo. So you enjoy this downtown area, but then I need to just explain to you about other trips that you need to make. If you travel, you know, to the north from here, from that, you know, from with the blue line, you take the blue line here to the south, you go to Long Beach. Then there is a green line here, in here, that goes to LAX. So you learn about this blue line. Then there is a red line. From here, there is a red line that goes like this, then goes like this, then goes like this, then travels over the Hollywood Hill. I need to, Hollywood Hill, this is, I mean, kind of, I mean, let's just make it green. I mean, let's just make it hills because it's a hill. These are Hollywood Hill. So this red line goes from here, then it travels to Hill, to Studio, and 2 stations. I mean, one there and one there. From here, there is tree station here, down then there is tree station here, I mean, Sunset, Santa Monica, Vermont. Then here is a Wilshire, that is a purple line. From here is a purple line that it goes to other more lines here. That here is Koreatown. Then here there are 3 stations in this line that it names, you know, from 7th you go to Alvarado, then to Wilshire Western. Then, you know, in downtown you're going to learn about these stations. It's your, you know, you can know them. So that's the, okay, the other line is Gold Line that goes to Pasadena. And for Gold Line, of course, this, you know, this 7th Metro goes to here, Union Station. That has Gold Line. Union Station. Union Station, and okay, from Union Station you should go to you go to Pasadena. And from Pasadena, you just go to Boyle Heights. Each metro travel costs $175. Each metro, I mean, I need to just write it as a black because it's regular writing. Each metro cost, each metro travel, each trip. But if you want to tour and enjoy your tour, so you just get a weekly ticket. Or daily, based on your plan. Okay. So we learn about these things. Okay, the other thing that you should know, this was Hollywood Hill, about the beaches that I need to, this line here, as you see here, exactly the parallel to this line is Santa Monica. Then you go here, it's gonna be, yeah, that Redondo Beach, Manhattan Beach that I told you. Then you come to Long Beach. Then you go here, Laguna Beach. Then from here you go for where? You go for Malibu, right? So always keep in mind, I'm gonna go with the black color, that you have this red line, then red line goes to this purple line, then tree line here. This is Sunset, Santa Monica, and Vermont. And from downtown there is a bus that goes to there is a, you know, there is an express line that goes, you know, to, I mean, express line is, you know, it's the other, I mean, I'll go with this color. express line is like this. It goes not to Santa Monica directly, but just here stops in Culver City. Then from here, maybe you need to ride some bike to go to Santa Monica. Of course, down the Santa Monica, it's Venice Beach. Down the Santa Monica, it's a Venice Beach. But then the other thing is you should know all this. You need to draw this if you want to enjoy your trip. Then here there was 3 stations that I told you. The other one is this. You don't want to enjoy this Hollywood. In Hollywood, you have 3 stations. I mean, you can walk, you can take metro, you can come back to your hotel here. So, you know, okay, maybe in another video I'm gonna tell more about the freeways, but I think this is enough for today. The other thing, I'm gonna clean this. The other thing, it's very important because I'm gonna show my face here, and in my face, let's go back to something that's very important. It is very, very important, and it's going to be like this. It's going to be like this because I need to. Okay. The thing is, you need to search for one thing. We both gonna search. We're gonna both search on. We both gonna search on LA, Los Angeles taxi. We both gonna be Los Angeles taxi. So in Los Angeles taxi, you see a lot of taxis, right? Because you are in downtown LA. Let's go and see in downtown LA that you were here, right? You need to have these taxis available. I said taxi, Los Angeles taxi service. Not this service, you know, I need to just go over this Los Angeles taxi. I mean, see, it's hard, man. I mean, you just put the Los Angeles taxi in. Angeles taxi. Union Taxi, Independent Co, LA Cab, Yellow, LA Yellow Cab. Let's go and choose this yellow LA Cab. Of course, you're gonna have a lot of, you know, kind of different. Okay, let's just write this number. 4. You need to remember, I know, because you want to enjoy, and economy is kind of, I'm just living with you. What is the number here? Book your trip is just 424.222.2222. So I did it with you, right? So I'm gonna close this, and again I'll be back here with you with my pace, with my big pace. So we are going to end very important things. First of all, I'm gonna write with yellow, with, you know, with the green. First of all, again, we go. You search the internet, you search the Google Earth, right? You search those. 1, 2. Then we are not going to do that. You papers, you draw on paper. Then the fourth one is taxi number. What was that? 424 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. Then the fifth one is contacting me. Zarik Daniel. If I pick up the phone and I was ready, or you just write in my email or whatever, I'm going to help you. If not, God be with you. You have this taxi number. It's going to be whatever number that you can find. Search a taxi. Your paper and your search. Enjoy your trip. If this much information going to help you. But if you want to spend money, if you don't want to adventure, again, it's up to you. But, try to enjoy your trip and tour with knowing where you are. And enjoy your trip. I'm kind of serious because I just want to enjoy, and I'm kind of a person, I just want to give you a serious help. And I think the seriousness is going to bring happiness. Bye.